Hi everyone, David here, and today I am introducing to you a new piece of software available very soon called AI Content Builder. Now, I had a little play with this a little bit earlier today, so I just thought I'd come on and show you how quickly you can actually produce pieces of content for blogs, for your Facebook posts, TikTok videos, tweets, and even emails to send out to your email list. So here it is, AI Content Builder. This is the project creation screen, obviously, but before you start anything, the first place you'll want to go is into the settings area. And in the settings area, you'll see a few little bits that need to be configured before you can get things working correctly. Two of the most important parts are the OpenAI API key. Okay, I've already got mine. There is instructions on how to get it. Same with this SDXL API key. Again, instructions are given on how to get these keys. I've already got those keys, so I don't need to play with it anymore. And the nice thing in here, you can see these things called blog codes. Okay, so the pieces of content that you create can be posted directly into your blogs, which is dead handy. Okay, it's absolutely dead handy. And to do that, okay, and I'm going to show you quickly how it's done. First thing you want to do is go to this download WP plugin. Save it onto your hard drive, okay, because you're going to need it to add on to your blogs. Okay, so I'm going to show you quickly how it's done. So I've already done one for one site. I'm going to show you how it's done on another one. So if I go to one of my blogs quickly, okay, and you'll want to go scroll down on the left hand side here, go to plugins, add new. Okay, so we should be able to get in here to add a new plugin. Okay, so I want to upload a plugin. I want to choose the file, and the file is called this remote post WP plugin. Hit that, open it up, and install it. Okay, it's how most plugins are done. Okay, and then once it's installed very quickly, okay, you go and activate the plugin, which it's doing right now. Just give it a minute. Okay, so it's activated the plugin, and then where you'll want to go following that would be to settings, which we have here. Okay, and you can see this one here called remote post setting. Click it and it'll open up, and it'll give you your encode key. Okay, and you can copy it just by clicking that, or you can highlight it and right click and copy it that way. Okay, I'm just going to copy it here. Okay, so it's been copied, and we go back to here, put the blog code 2. So this is a new blog code. There it is. That's the key in there, and I'm going to save the settings quickly. And it's saved. It says there your settings have been saved, and you can see that the blog code 2 is going to the site which I have just added that plugin to. All right, so those are the very simple steps you've got to do. OpenAI API key, SDXL API key, which I believe is to do with Stability AI. Okay, and then get your blog code ready. All right, and that's the settings just about covered immediately. Next place you want to go, straight back to the new project. Okay, so this is project creation and editing screen, and it's asking for a project name, target audience, max words, category to put it in, what language you want, what writing tone, and what the blog post is all going to be about. Now, I have no idea what to write about right now, so we'll do my normal thing when I don't know what to write about. What I normally do is go to Google, okay, and I like the health benefits. And it says of turmeric. Okay, well, we'll take turmeric. You can have any of these. Okay, cherries, beetroot, all this kind of stuff. Well, let's stick with turmeric. So I'll hit health benefits of turmeric. Now, I'm not going to try and compete with 96 million or other sites. Okay, so what I tend to do is scroll down to the bottom of here. Okay, and take some of the related searches instead. Okay, and this one is a little bit more specific. The benefits of turmeric for women. So I'm going to click on that, which gives me the term right here. Okay, benefits of turmeric for women, and that's absolutely fine. I'm going to right click and copy it, and that'll give me my subject to write about. Okay, so my blog post subject is going to be about that, benefits of turmeric for women. The project name is obviously, because it's turmeric, let's go for turmeric. Oops, for some reason I got my caps lock done up. Lovely, well done, David. Turmeric. Okay. And I like to capitalize stuff. I'm just a little bit fussy with certain things. So benefits of turmeric for women. Target audience is obviously women. So we'll put women in there as our target audience. Words. For content creation, I normally run around the 1500 word mark. Okay. Now, using OpenAI's API key, it might not come back with 1500 words, but we're not going to be worried about that. What category do we want it in? I want to add a new category, which I'm going to call health benefits, because I can do a series of posts on these things. So we'll add the category, and there we go. The category comes up as health benefits. Language, okay, you can, lots of different languages. English is the default. Okay, but you've got Chinese, Dutch, French, German, Italian, Japanese, Korean, Portuguese, Russian, Spanish, Vietnamese. That covers most of the world, to be honest with you, but I'm going to stick with English. And the writing tone here, all right, I've got different writing tones that you want to do. Lots of different ones here. Informative, I think, is what we're trying to do. We're trying to inform people about the benefits of turmeric for women. So we'll stick with the informative on here. We could choose a different one. What else could we do? We could do a technical analysis. We could do professional one. Now we'll stick with the informative, okay? That sets the thing up, ready to rock and roll, okay? And the first thing it's going to do, we'll click on generate. And the first thing, as you can see, asking AI to generate post titles, okay? So it's picked up the post titles. It's giving you the post titles right here. And you can choose any of these ones. Let's have a look. Why turmeric is a must-have spice for women's health? That appeals to me, to be honest with you. Bone health, protect your heart, ladies, turmeric role in promoting cardiovascular. So many options here, it's unbelievable. But we'll stick with why turmeric is a must-have spice for women's health. Let's click next. And away it goes. So now it's gone off to ask the AI to generate a blog post for us. Okay. Now this process takes a few minutes, and I'm sure you don't want to hear me blabbing on about it, so we'll just watch it and see how it goes. And it is running away there, generating a blog post about turmeric, or why turmeric is a must-have spice for women's health. And in no time at all, it doesn't take very long, to be honest with you, it'll flip across and it's going to say that it's generating a Facebook post, I believe. There we go, asking AI to generate a Facebook post. Please wait, and we will wait for it to happen. And after this one, if I remember correctly, I think the next one is, oh, there it goes, asking AI to generate a TikTok script. Okay, so it'll generate the TikTok script as well. We'll please wait for it. And off it goes, asking AI to generate a tweet. It's very quick, the tweet, because it's very few characters. And away it goes, and it's asking AI to generate an email for you as well. All right. And very, very shortly, once it's generated the email, it will click through to another screen. So we will wait for it. We'll be patient. And there you go. It is done. Okay. Now, we can see here it's actually written 1123 words. Not bad at all. Okay. Not bad at all for a blog post, okay? But you will see, if I scroll up the screen a little bit, okay, before you can post or do anything else, okay, you want to save this. So that's my advice to you, save all. Okay, and it says your project has been saved. So the project's been saved, and now we can take a look at all these other little bits and pieces that we can do. Okay, looking pretty good. Okay, it reads well. Everything else is pretty cool there. Looking good. Okay, it's going across. And it hits us with this conclusion bit, which I don't like. I'll show you in a little bit what we do with that. Okay. So what we want to do, okay, is we will post this to the blog. Okay, because I don't like to work in here for editing, etc. I like to work on my WordPress blog for editing. Okay, so we're going to post now. There's this little down arrow here. We'll click the down arrow, and we're going to save it as a draft. Okay, we're going to say you must select which blog to post to. Yes, I haven't selected yet, so I need to select the blog. I've got a couple in here. We're going to do WordPress. I do want to post an image, so this is another clever little thing that this does. Okay, so I want to post an image, but before I can do all this posting, okay, we have to go across to the image. All right, and it says here generate an image. Okay, so why turmeric is a must-have spice for women's health. The prompt type is a custom. There's lots of different ones in here: illustration, watercolors, all sorts of different things that you can put in. I'll just leave it as custom. Okay, and I'm going to ask it to generate me an image. So off it goes, and it asks the AI to generate an image, which it's about to do. Takes a minute or two to generate the image, and up it comes, and there we go. There's a nice image with turmeric in it. Okay, so we are going to use that image. So again, flip across from the image tab, flip across to the blog post. Okay, and we're going to post it into WordPress. Like I just said, I'm going to post the image, and we're going to put it. Now you can publish it immediately. I do not recommend that you publish immediately. Okay, you could actually schedule the post as well to publish later. That would be okay, but I'm just going to stick it in draft. All right, so off we go, and we're going to stick it in draft, and it should. Now if I hit post, it'll go away. Posted to the blog at WordPress.com. So let's go and have a look back at WordPress. We'll go into the posts, and here are the posts, and here it is: why turmeric is a must-have spice for women's health. And we'll open it up so that you can all see. There we go. And it's up and ready for the editing, and you can see it has put in as the featured image here. Okay, the image, the turmeric image that was created by AI. Very nice, excellent. We've got to choose which category we're going to put this in. Well, we're going to put it into, let's see, we don't want it in shopping, that's for sure. Let's go for most used. It's obvious. Let's do health and well-being. That's pretty cool. So like I said, this is where I do my editing from. Okay, now if you know anything about editing in WordPress, okay, I would suggest here, you know that the title, okay, the title is going to be your H1. Okay, I normally like a H2 after it. Can you call it the same one as that? Well, there's a little cheat here. Okay, so I'm going to copy this, and I'm going to show you a little cheat that I do. Okay, a cheat that I do is using Quillbot. Okay, I'm going to paste the text in there. It says paste the text in there, why turmeric must have, and I'm going to paraphrase it, and let's see if it'll give us something. The many ways turmeric benefits women's health. Perfect. We'll copy that, go back to WordPress, and we shall paste it in, and we will make that our H2. Okay, and as you can see down here, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 okay, which is perfectly okay. And what we're going to do is we're going to make these guys, we're going to make them H3s. Okay, so that one there, that one there. Okay, support health, give it a H3, easy joint pain and inflammation, H3. Same here with number 5, H3, number 6, okay, H3, and there's number 7 here. We'll do that, make that a H3 as well. Let's have a little read down here. Incorporating turmeric into your routine. Well, we'll make that, we'll just bold that up. Actually, what we'll do is we'll make that a H4. Okay. Now, remember I said to you earlier on in the video, I don't like this conclusion thing. It's a dead giveaway that AI has pretty much created it for you. So we delete it. Okay. And the other thing that we do, and you're not going to like this, but I do not take AI content as is and just post it onto your blog posts. Okay, so what I normally do is I'll take a paragraph, I'll copy it again, use the paraphraser. Okay, Quillbot is perfect for this. You put it in here, paraphrase it, and it does the whole thing for you. You can copy it back up, go back, paste it in. It's as simple as that. Now you can also see I've got Grammarly here, which is making other suggestions for creating, making things better. I'm not going to go through all of this. Okay, I'll just do one more paraphrase for you to see, so we can keep this video as short as possible. Okay, so off it goes. It paraphrases it beautifully. Thank you very much. We'll go back and we just paste it in. Okay, now I would do that with the entirety of this. Okay, I just copy and paste, get it paraphrased, and get it back in here. The other thing is there's no image in here, so really what I would do, I would go after the first paragraph. I just make myself add media. Well, we've already had the media, okay, which was that beautiful little turmeric thing here. Okay, now it says title image. Okay, so we'll just call it turmeric on a wooden spoon. That's what it is. Oops, spoon. Oops, spoon. Let me. Oh my god, I still didn't get it right. Okay, and we can actually give the alt text the same content. Paste it in. We'll drop down the page. Alignment, I'm going to center align it. Okay, and I'm going to make it as big as we can. It's a full size one, 512 by 512. That's what the images normally come out from the AI, 512 by 512, and then we'll insert it into the post. Okay, and there it goes. It's inserted in, so we've at least got one image. Okay. And like I said, I would rewrite all of this with Quillbot, but for now I'm just going to save it back as draft so we can get on to a couple of other things in here. Save it as draft. So if we go back now to AI Content Builder, okay, there are other tabs in here for you to play with. Okay, Facebook posts, and as you can see, it has written a Facebook post for you. Okay. Hey ladies, did you know that there's one spice out there that can do wonders for your health? Say hello to turmeric, the ultimate must-have spice for women's health. In our latest blog post, Benefits of Turmeric for Women, we delve into the amazing benefits of this golden spice specifically tailored for you lovely ladies. Okay, little bit spammy for me, okay? But as you can see, if we scroll down here, once you've got your blog post link, you just change that part there, and you can post this to Facebook. Okay, you can just copy this. Okay, I normally just click anywhere in there, do a Control-A to highlight it all, and then copy it from there. You can then go to Facebook. Let's go to my own Facebook page. Okay, we can click on what's on my mind and I can paste it in there. Okay, do you see? It all gets done for you, all nicely ready to create the post. All you need is the link to the blog post. I don't have that link right now because I have not published the blog post. I want to go back and finish it later. Okay, so that's how to use the Facebook. It even puts nice little tags in for you. Okay, and that's how to use the Facebook post. TikTok video scripts, it also does. Okay, so it actually tells you pretty much how to get how to create the TikTok videos in here. Okay, it's all ready to go, self-explanatory really. Same with the tweet. Okay, the only thing that the tweet hasn't done, okay, you can see here it'll do a tweet for you. Okay, and again you just copy it up, and I would again use the link that you got from your blog post in your tweet, and you could even use the image from the same AI creator that we used earlier. And the last little tab we've got here is the email tab, and here we go. Here's the subject: discover the secret spice for women's health, and away it goes, and it is done in here. Okay, and it even tells you where to insert your blog post link. Okay, but that's a nice little email you can send out. Insert blog post link here to your email subscribers. Okay, so as you can see, that's about as fast as I could create everything for you and share everything you really needed to do. Okay, so you can see it's now posted to the blog, right? You can't save, you can't repost it. Okay, it's been posted to one blog. You don't want to repost it to someone else, create another one. Now you might be asking, what's the cost of creating these articles and the images? The costs are negligible. I can assure you it's going to be under 5 cents, okay, for the entire process. That's the image and the content that you've wanted to write. Okay, and that, my friends, is AI Content Builder. How to use it, set it up, show you how to do the WordPress plugin. Okay, even give you a little bit of advice on what to do with this. Okay, like I said, do not, this is my advice, do not just copy and paste this into a blog and go post it. All right, don't do that. Use something like some kind of rewriter. My preferred rewriter is Quillbot. Okay, get it rewritten, post it up, and then use all the other benefits, the Facebook posts, the tweets I would definitely use, TikTok video scripts if you want to, and even email your subscribers. Okay, and you will get, without a shadow of a doubt, you will get traffic going to the blog post that you created with AI Content Builder. My view on this software, for ease of use, it's a 10. Okay, it is so easy to use, it's unbelievable. I mean, if I can do it, anybody can do it. Okay, would there be other things that I would like inside the software? Maybe one or two little tweaks to it, but nothing drastic. I would give it, for the ease of use, the cheapness of creating your content, the number of different content options that you have, I would give this piece of software a 9 out of 10 easily. Okay, there's not much out there that I would give 10 out of 10 for. 9 out of 10, highly recommended. Grab it when you can. See you later.